Are you truly happy with your life right now? Do you feel trapped? Like you may be living in a cage? Do you feel unwanted, abused, or maybe you feel unsupported? Do you feel like somebody else is controlling your life and what you should be doing each and every day? How would you like to break free and finally be yourself and live the life that you were destined to live? Come join me for a 2-hour live workshop to learn the 5 steps in discovering and uncovering the real you. This is your true essence. This is your identity. This is your soul. Your emotions and your feelings come from your heart and your soul, and they're going to tell you everything that you need to know about yourself. I mean, simply put, if you're not feeling happy a majority of the time, then you are definitely living somebody else's life and you are not living your own. So let me ask you a very, very simple question. Are you truly happy? And if that answer is no, then you need to take action now. It's never, ever, ever too late to change your life direction and truly, truly, truly be yourself. You can be happy. You can live your desired dream life. You can be the real, authentic you. You can live your life with passion and purpose and desire. You can become the masters of your own destiny. See, the most important lesson that I have learned so far on my journey is just how powerful your mind really is. Think about this. Your mind is fueled by the universe's power. Your mind is the energy source that makes your heart beat. Your mind is what gives you life and gives your life a meaning, your purpose. This is your purpose, nobody else's. Don't wait. Start your journey today. Sign up for the 2-hour free workshop starting on November 22nd, 2022 at 10 a.m. Eastern Standard Time. And I promise you, your future self will thank you. And remember, your forever begins right now. So go ahead, take action, and sign up for the workshop right now.